Hi everybody. Today I'm making breakfast stuffed peppers. And I've started off with two bell peppers that I sliced in half and I hollowed them out. I tried to keep the tops on to keep the filling inside, but this one I messed up, so we'll see. Hopefully it won't all fall out. I have 4 eggs and I don't know how many I'm going to need to fill everything. I might make the mixture, I might make too much of it, so we'll see. So I started out with 4 eggs and then I'm going to season it, starting off with some pepper and my pink salt and a little bit of onion powder. And then normally I have the garlic powder, but this time I had fresh garlic, so I minced up like 3 cloves of that, small ones. Right, and then I'll mix that up a little bit. And then this was some leftover turkey sausage patties that I just chopped up. I'll dump those in there. Right, I'm going to see how this works. I'm hoping not to make a huge mess, but we'll see. Get some of that sausage out for the other ones. There we go. Well, I have a few extra pieces, but for the most part, that worked out pretty well. And then on the side over here, I have some shredded cheese that I shredded earlier. This one is the Colby Jack. I'm going to put a little bit on top. And all over the pan. All right, and then I have another one. I shredded up some the pepper jack as well. So I wanted a little bit of a spice, so we'll see. I'll try this one. Make sure that stays on the pepper. Gotta have my cheese. All right, and I have the oven preheated to 375, and these will take maybe about 30 minutes, so I'll be right back. And 30 minutes later, they look and smell so good. And I can't wait to dig in. And even though I took them out of the oven a little while ago, it's still a little warm. And I just know that that cheese is like holding in all that heat. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it. And see if I can get a good bite without burning myself. Oh yeah. Let's see if I can. You can see that. I don't know if you can see that too well. That looks really good. All right. Then I'm going to get the bite with the sausage. All right. Let's see. Definitely some good flavor in the egg. That was really good. I love this.